Hi, this is Enrique Ding from Colorlight. Welcome to our booth and welcome to InfoComm 2026. So, standing here, our star products is our Universe series. It starts from the U3 to U6 here, and we have our U9 Max and our big guys U15 Max. Just take an example. There's one U50 Max can handle the whole spheres in Las Vegas. Is that possible? Amazing? Yes. So we do. This is our powerful video splicers. Our company Colorlight. That's the control system behind the LED walls, and it is modular design that you can check out the rear side. The end customers can, according to the project requirements, to select different input cards and output cards. So we have the 4K, 8K, and 2K input card for HDMI 2.1, 2.0, and 1.4. And for the output cards, you can choose 5G, fiber, 10G, and 1G Ethernet. So it's very flexible. You can check there that we have our big guys. Then we have the independent audio cards right here. And for the U9 Max, we have the dual fan tray. It is all Universe series is all web-based, so you can control all the things. You don't have to download any software. You just go to the IP address and type in, and then you can do all the configurations. That's pretty much about our Universe Star.